Okay, so I have a question on the homework, page 22. I went ahead and chose number 3. Measured from sea level, an underwater rock shelf is at a depth of 800 feet. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to picture this in my mind. So I'm thinking about an ocean. It says underwater, measured from sea level. The nearby ocean bottom is at 3 times the depth of the rock shelf. A, what is the depth of the nearby ocean bottom? B, express your answer to part A as an elevation where positive numbers mean above sea level and negative numbers mean below sea level. Okay, I'm going to reread, and as I reread, to help me make sense of the word problem, I'll continue to draw my picture. I love to draw pictures while I'm doing these. Measured from sea level, an underwater rock shelf is at a depth of 800 feet. Okay, let's say maybe there's the bank and you've got an underwater rock shelf right there. It's at a depth of 800 feet. 800 feet below sea level. Okay, so far I think I'm picturing it correctly. The nearby ocean bottom is at 3 times the depth of the rock shelf. 3 times. Well, if the rock shelf is at 800 feet, what is 3 times that? 2,400 feet. So let's see, that's once. Let's make it a little bit longer than that, about 3 times as much. That's the bottom of the ocean. There we go. It's at a depth of 2,400 feet. Okay, so I just have my picture here. I think I might have answered part A already. What is the depth of the nearby ocean bottom? And I figured it out because it was 3 times the depth of the rock shelf. 800 times 3 is 2,400. So A, the answer is 2,400. Now B, express your answer to part A as an elevation where positive numbers mean above sea level and negative numbers mean below sea level. This is important because a lot of problems in our book talk about this. Anything above sea level here is going to be positive. Anything below sea level is negative, and sea level is always considered to be at 0. So 800 feet, that would be negative 800 feet. This would be negative 2,400 feet because it's below sea level. All I have to do then is put negative 2,400 feet.